Walk right up to it and look at it really, really close. Really, really close. What you need to do is a builder's plate on the side, and you need to read the word right there if you can.
Oh, the S-I-I-R-T-E-L-Y.
In Finnish it says turns valve forward in Finnish.
Turns valve
forward. As far as we
forward.
know, was used in the Winter War. Germany versus Russia, 1938.
1938.
That's right, yeah. And anyway, so that's kind of used really is, but then in the 1950s, I was in the National Guard on one of these. We'll go back into the shade here.
Sure, sure.
You want to sit?
Anyway, so I was like this for 5 years in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So 1 mile of beach to the south. Coast Guard boats, no fishing boats allowed, and little drones going back and forth. And we're banging away at them, trying to hit them. But they're only 8 inches high by 8 feet long. Almost never hit one. But the whole idea was correct tracking. And track it correctly, that's all they cared about. Hit it or not, okay, or not. But as long as you could track it correctly. And that's what we did for 5 years. This top-loading gun. Navy had these in twins and quads. The land had an outfit of these that had twins on the tractor, a duster they call it. On the ships they came in twins and quads. And, so this one here, I say this is the probably used in Finland, but you can't be sure. It's the right time when all these structures are finished. But it was a lot of fun. And so you level the bag. So we had a pointer and trainer. One guy's cranking left and right. One guy's cranking down. And another guy is called a range setter. He's watching the traces. He has a little box on the side. And whatever the plane does, she does with the box. The plane goes left, he turns the box left, the plane goes up and down. He's following that plane exactly. So the range setter, the guys are on the handle, they just keep the crosshairs on. And he adjusts all the air, getting the hole behind it. And then you have a loader just dropping shells in. And we'll pass and dropping, handing the shells up. 120 rounds a minute. We keep you busy. So that gun's set on the post up on the back where the ribs are on the ship there. So it was an interesting job.